Welcome. E.L. Musty & Sons Incorporated manufactures products designed to add luxury, convenience, functionality, and greater livability to your home. Since 1932, Mustee brands have stood for the best in quality, innovation, and durability. With dimensions and styles that work with both traditional shapes and modern trends, Mustee fits into your design. Mustee's Topaz fiberglass bathtubs bring together classic design, exceptional features, premium construction, and legendary E.L. Musty & Sons quality. These popular 30 by 60 inch bathtubs feature the latest thinking in bathtub design and construction innovations. Mustee also makes Topaz premium fiberglass bathtub walls for standard 30 by 60 inch bathtub installation. The 3-panel wall system has a tongue and groove connection between back and side walls to create a leak-resistant seam. This video illustrates the installation of the Model T6030 Topaz 30 by 60 inch bathtub with the Model 670WHT fiberglass bathtub walls. Read all instructions carefully and inspect the product for damage before starting your installation. Tools and materials needed for this installation will be a hammer, a screwdriver, a power drill, a 5/32 drill bit and hole saws for plumbing fixtures, a tape measure, a level, safety glasses, and a pencil. Materials needed are deck screws 1 inch minimum, 2 pieces of plywood 3/4 by 3 inches by 56 inches for mounting the enclosure, shims, 30-pound felt paper or mortar cement for leveling if necessary, silicone sealant, and tub surround adhesive. The Model T6030 bathtub will fit into a standard 5-foot framed bathtub alcove sitting on a subfloor or slab. Do not install the bathtub on exposed floor joists. A 5 by 11 inch opening in the subfloor or slab will be required for either a right or left-hand drain placement. Studs should be plumb, and the subfloor should be level and able to support load requirements. Reference instructions for stud placements within the alcove, as this will give the unit full support. Additional bracing to support optional grab bars and/or seat should be installed at this time. Refer to the bathtub wall instructions for suggested placement of the bracing, as well as the accessory manufacturer's instructions for proper installation. Construct your alcove and complete your rough plumbing following local code requirements. You're now ready to test fit the bathtub. Test fit the bathtub in the alcove, making sure it sits level. The bathtub must rest directly on the subfloor. To check that the bathtub is in a level position, place a level on the right and left hand flange, back flange, and front apron. Do not use the bathtub floor area, which is tapered for water drainage. At this time, remove the bathtub. If the subfloor is level, it's suggested to use a 30-pound roofing felt pad as a contact buffer between the bathtub's structural supports and the subfloor. If an out-of-level floor condition exists, you can use a mortar mix bed to help level the bathtub while giving it full support. Next, attach a drain overflow assembly to the bathtub per the manufacturer's instructions. Carefully set the bathtub back into place within the alcove. Double-check that the bathtub is sitting level. Install the 6 provided mounting clips to secure the bathtub to the wall studs. Position 2 clips per side at stud centers and securely fasten them with the screws provided. You're now ready to assemble and install the model number 670WHT Topaz fiberglass walls. The bathtub wall unit does not require any trimming or cutting for installation. Each center and side panel has a mounting flange designed to accept standard deck screws. The mounting flanges have pre-marked drill points. To avoid cracking the flange, it is recommended that you pre-drill all of the holes with a 5/32 drill bit. Screws can be inserted between the pre-marked holes if necessary. Next, you'll need to mark the hole locations on the side panel for the mixing control valve, tub spout, and shower head, if applicable, that are to be used. Measure these hole locations from the rear wall rough framing. Be sure to deduct 4 inches from your measurement from the corner stud wall to the valve before transferring to the side panel. This will account for the 4-inch return on the back panel. Double-check all measurements and make sure that the holes will be covered by the escutcheon or cover plates provided with your plumbing fixtures. Be sure to follow the manufacturer's instructions for all required hole sizes. Proceed to drill from the finished or inside surface of the side panel. Using the screws provided, attach the 2 mounting brackets to the fitted holes on the lower back side of the center panel. Now set the center panel into position on the back of the bathtub. Be sure the mounting brackets on the back of the center panel sit over the bathtub's tile flange. Before setting the side panels in place, it's recommended to adhere the plywood supports to the back side of the side panels to support a shower enclosure or curtain rod. Be sure to use an adhesive recommended for tub and shower surrounds when applying these supports. Side and center bathtub panels are equipped with tongue and groove fit to provide leak-resistant installation. Set the side panels in place, engaging the tongue of the side panels with the groove on the center panel. Check that side panels meet the front edge of the bathtub and are plumb. Verify that all panels are plumb. Shims may be added between panels and studs where necessary to achieve a plumb condition. Secure the center panel first and then the side panels to the studs through all the pre-drilled holes on the mounting flange with the 1-inch deck screws. Be sure to use all the holes to provide full support of the unit. Do not over-tighten the screws. Finish off the alcove with water-resistant sheetrock. Seal the seams between the bathtub wall panels and the finished wall with silicone sealant. Referring to the manufacturer's instructions, complete all the drain connections, plumbing fixtures, and shower door installations. Check for leaks. We also have these products available to fit with the Mustee Model T6030 bathtub. We hope this demonstration was helpful. For more information on Mustee's products, including showers, bathtubs and walls, caregiver showers, laundry tubs, and washer pans, please check out our website at www.mustee.com.